Hello and welcome back to the channel where we care deeply about your health, your strength, and your independence, no matter your age. If you're over 60 and you've noticed your arms getting thinner, your legs feeling weaker, or that simple tasks are becoming more tiring than they used to be, you're not alone. This is unjust aging. This is something called sarcopenia, a natural loss of muscle mass that starts quietly around age 40 and accelerates after 60. But here is the good news. You can fight it and even reverse it with a few smart changes. And yes, one of them includes a simple spoonful of something powerful before bed. Stick with me till the end of this video, because I'm also going to reveal 3 common foods that silently damage aging muscles, what to eat instead, and the science-backed nightly spoon that helps rebuild strength while you sleep. Let's start with why this matters so much. Muscle loss isn't just about looking thinner. It affects your balance, your energy, your posture, and your independence. In fact, studies show that seniors with more muscle mass live longer, stay more active, and suffer fewer injuries from falls. So, what causes this muscle loss? Well, several things. 1, low protein intake. Many older adults don't eat enough high-quality protein. Your muscles need it to repair and grow, especially after 60. To lack of resistance activity. You don't need to lift heavy weights, but without any form of resistance like body weight movements or light stretching, your muscles start to weaken. 3, chronic inflammation and blood sugar spike. Even what we eat can slowly damage muscle tissues without us even realizing it. Now, before we reveal that 1 spoon before bed, let's quickly look at 3 foods that may be silently damaging your muscles. 1, white bread and refined carbs. They spike your blood sugar quickly, which leads to inflammation. Chronic inflammation interferes with muscle repair and growth. Instead, try whole grains like oats, millet, or brown rice. They release energy slowly and help nourish your cells without the crash. 2, sugary breakfast cereals. You may think starting the day with cereal is healthy, but many of them are loaded with added sugars and almost no protein. Swap them with a high-protein breakfast like Greek yogurt, eggs, or even a protein smoothie with oats and banana. 3, processed meats. Hot dogs, sausages, and deli meats might be convenient, but they're often high in sodium nitrates and inflammatory fats, all of which stress your body and don't nourish muscle. Go for grilled chicken, fish, or plant-based proteins instead. Host! So what's the alternative? What's one thing you can start tonight that could help your muscles heal and grow even while you sleep? We'll get to that in just a moment. But first, let's understand why nighttime is the best time to help your body rebuild muscle. Soft transition, calming music, nighttime scene, lights dimming in a bedroom. Host, during sleep, your body goes into repair mode. It releases growth hormone, especially in the first half of the night. This hormone is key to muscle growth and tissue healing. But here's the catch. If your body doesn't have enough fuel, specifically protein and certain amino acids, it has nothing to rebuild with. That's like trying to repair a house without brick. And that's where the spoonful comes in. Fade to black screen. Text appears. What is the spoonful that rebuilds muscle? We'll reveal it right after this. Stay with us. End of part 1. Let me know when you'd like to continue with part 2, where we reveal the spoonful and how to use it correctly for best results.